Okay, on the 7th of April, there was a train collision in France. A TGV train, which is a high speed train, has derails after hitting a truck in northern part of France. The train was carrying 243 people. One was killed, the train driver was killed, and at least a dozen has been injured. You can see the damage here. The truck entered the path of the train, and the train driver was killed. The truck was carrying military equipment. So a high-speed train entered into a collision with a truck in France. One people killed, at least a dozen has been injured. You can see emergency services on standby. Okay, I'm going to show you now. I knew something of this nature will happen. I dreamed that like in September 2025, like 7, 8 months ago, whatever it is. I want you guys to read it. I hope it is clear on your screen. Let me enlarge it a bit. So it enlarged. So I knew it. A train will enter a collision in France and that there will be some death. And it has happened like 7, 8 months ago. God already told me. Thank you for watching.